box, sir.
Yes, see, all of you open chat box, all of you. Before that, also
Yes,
all the
sir.
videos, only two members are on the videos. What happened to others? I put fully option for you then.
Sir,
Medium must
some number
bond. Medium must bond. I see only 3 videos now. As I told you, in my screen, at a time I can see 12 to 18 videos I can watch in my laptop. Only 6 now. All should on the videos.
1 minute,
Sir.
sir. We are trying to do that, sir.
Why?
Just tough to join, sir.
So I recorded has started now. So all of you be silent now. So all of you follow me instruction carefully. Here I'm going to show you what is Newton's law of motion. Already we know that one, and we are I'm going to teach the procedure, and I will show you a small video, and then we are going to simulation. That is called a simulator, means that only you are going to do. Okay. After listening these 3 process, after completing this 3 process, first process is we are going to talk about theory. What theory behind the Newton's law of motion. Next one, we are going to see the procedure. And third part, we are going to watch a small video. And fourth one, simulation. That simulation part only practical lab. So after knowing everything, we are going to do the lab. So what are the important things here means? You must learn the Newton's law correctly here again, and you must read the procedures correctly. Based on the procedure only, you are going to do the practical there. Okay. So here list count will be there. That no need. I will be telling that laterally. Okay. Now, all of it test that link. So all of it follow my. Don't talk. Don't be diverted here. It will be very useful. If you do this, means we can do number of experiments hereafter. Okay. So first of all of you open a chat box. All of you. All of you can be able to see the link there.
Wait a second.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The lab. See this lab. Okay. Click the link of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just a minute. I open the what is seeing there?
Sir, Newton's third law.
Third law.
Newton's third
Theory.
Newton's
Down
third law of
theory.
motion, sir.
Third
Theory,
law of
procedure,
motion.
animation,
Yes.
Later,
What are the topics there?
video,
Theory, procedure,
viva,
animation,
vote,
simulator, video, viva versa, resources. There are how many topics are there? You know, the theory, procedure, animation, video will be not there. It was cancelled. Then video will be there. Then viva versa. Viva versa. So what are the questions? What we learned? We have to answer there. So that I will give separately to my because it will type here means it will go for the lab only. I won't get this. So I will give in the Google Sheet tomorrow. So here now, see all of you. I open the theory part. Press the theory part, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Open,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Our objective, what is theory? Our objective is there, no?
Sir, our objective is to
Yes, sir.
study the third law of motion using
Yes.
two spring
The
balance.
objective is, so okay, I will read. Our objective is to study the tail of motion using two spring balances. It's okay. So
Yes,
you
sir.
are going to use,
Yes,
so what things you are going to use here? You are going to use the spring balances. Okay.
Yes, sir.
The theory. Newton's law of motion states. What is it? What is the law states? To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Equal
This is
and
the Newton's
opposite
law.
reaction.
Yes, okay. It must be remembered that action and reaction always act on different objects. So already you know that. The tail law of motion indicates that when one object exerts a force on the another object, the second object instantaneously exerts a force back on the first object. These two forces are always equal in magnitude but opposite in the directions. So this is the main thing we are going to see here. Okay. So first of all, you know what is the Newton's third law. Then we are going to the example now. So once again, read that second para. It must be remembered that action and a reaction always act on different objects. The tail of motion indicates that when one object exerts a force on another object, the second object instantly exerts a force back on the first object. These two forces are always equal in magnitude. Magnitude means numbers. but opposite in the direction. And next one, this force acts on different objects and so they do not cancel each other. Thus, Newton's law of motion describes the relationship between the force of interaction between the two objects. Okay. Then, whenever two bodies interact with each other, the force exerted by the first body and second is called action. So here what is mean the action? The action is explained here. So when first body is interacted on the second body, the first body is when it interacts, it is called as the action. The force exerted by second body on the first body is called the reaction. For exerted by second body on the first body is called as the reaction. This action reaction are equal and opposite directions. For example, when you place a wooden block on the ground, the block exerts a force equal to its weight W kg acting downwards to the ground. This is the action force. The ground exerts an equal and opposite force W kg on the block in the upward direction. This is the action force. So some examples are given. Followed by see the wooden block. This is the example. So see here what is reaction force and the action force is given here. It's a reaction force exerted by the ground on the block in the upward directions. The block is giving force towards the ground in the downward direction. Then we can see that is example. Now we can see applications on Newton's law of motion. What are the applications? So already really what is the piston gun and the bullet. Piston but all are same only. In the piston, in the case of pistols, we have seen about the recoil velocity. So here in the applications on Newton's law of motion, first point, a gun recoils when a bullet is fired from it. When bullet is fired from a gun exerts a force on the bullet in the forward direction. This is the action force. The bullet also exerts an equal force on the gun in the backward direction. This is the reaction force. Due to the larger mass of the gun, it moves only a little distance backward by giving a jerk at the shoulder of the gunman. The backward movement of the gun is called the recoil of the gun. The backward movement is called as the recoiling of the gun. Okay. So here force on the bullet action is going on. Force on the gun is reaction. The bullet is exerting force on the gun. The gun is going backwards. Because of the gun has a more mass than the bullet, the movement will be very little. So the movement of the gun to a back is called as the recoil velocity. Say a man working on the ground. A man is applying force down to the ground on the as a reaction. So the force on the ground given by the man is called as action. And if on the ground is giving back this force to the foot of the man is called as the reaction. Then rowing a boat, action and reaction. So when what is rowing boat? When action is when boatman is rowing the way stick, it is the action, and the boat will moving in the opposite direction. It is called as the reaction. Similarly, a person moving forward during swimming. What is the reaction? He is moving his hands in the opposite reaction, so that will be action. So what is the reaction? He is moving in the forward direction. He is pushing the water backward, and this is action, and the water will be fully pushing him in the forward direction. It is called the reaction, the action force during the swimming. Then rocket propulsion. So the rocket propulsion. What is rocket propulsion? The rocket is going on, and the rocket is going up. The gases will be coming out. So gases is for force on gases. It is called as the action. Because of the gases is coming out, it is giving the opposite reaction to the rocket. So the rocket is moving in the opposite directions, in the front directions. So now what you learn now? What is action force? What is reaction force? And what is the Newton's law of motion? Okay.
Force, reaction force, Newton's law of motion.
Newton's law of motion. Yes. What is action? So these are the some daily examples that you have. That is application of the Newton's law of motion in our life. Okay. Now we are going to see about by video. What is video now? See, I'll play the video now. Just wait, share the video now. You can share the video. Just wait. Audio is audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Newton's third law of motion. Sir Isaac Newton was a 17th century English physicist who discovered 3 laws of motion. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. In other words, if object A exerts a force on object B, then object B also exerts an equal force on object A. Notice that if the forces are exerted on different objects, they will not cancel each other. The third law can be used to explain rocket propulsion and the recoiling of the gun. Here are some daily life situations to illustrate Newton's third law of motion. When we walk on the ground, our foot pushes against the ground backward, that's action force, and the ground in turn exerts a force on the foot, that's reaction force, pushing the foot forward. When a man jumps from a diving board, he pushes the board, which is action force, and the board in turn pushes the man forward in the opposite direction, which is reaction force. Birds, while flying, push the air downwards with the help of their wings, which is action force, and the air in turn exerts a force on the bird in the upward direction, that is reaction force. Here is an experiment which proves Newton's third law of motion. Materials required: 2 spring balances of different least count, an iron stand fixed on a table. Procedure: arrange the stand. Take 1 spring balance. Note the least count of the spring balance. 5 divisions is equal to 0.25 n. That is, 1 division is equal to 0.25 divided by 5 is equal to 0.05 n. Fix 1 spring balance to the stand. Now, take the second spring balance and attach it to the end of the first spring balance. Pull the second spring balance away from the stand. As you pull the spring balance, you will feel that the spring balance is being pulled back. Both the spring balances will show the same force. Repeat the process. The 2 spring balances will continue to show the same forces. Tabulate all the readings. So we can conclude that when the second spring balance exerted a force on the first, which was the action force, the first spring balance also exerted an equal and opposite force on the second, which was the reaction force. Action and reaction forces are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Action and reaction forces act on 2 different bodies at the same time, so they do not cancel each other. Hence, Newton's third law of motion is verified.
Okay, have you watched video of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we can go for the procedure now. So what are things already procedures given here. Once again, as it in the written form, we can go for procedure now. What are the procedures here? So if you want to do it in the lab, there are two types of procedures given here, because now we are in the online classes.
Sir.
Okay, ba?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, please can you teach little slowly, sir?
What ba?
Sir, can you teach little slowly, sir?
Slowly I am going for procedure. So first of all, now there are 2 different types of labs are there. One is we are doing in the lab directly, that is called as the real lab. Now we are in the online classes. So here we are going to use the simulator. Simulator means it is a virtual lab. So what are the things we are going to do in the lab? Same things we also do here. So first of all, we can see what are the procedures for doing in the real lab. So already know that what are the materials required. We require two spring balances and a stand, or you can fix it to the wall. So that is the material required here. So see then the all of you see in the screen, all of you take two similar spring balances or different edges, say A and B. Note the least count. The least count means there sometimes depending upon the devices, that small needles will be not in the correct position. They will not in the zero. There will be some different will be there. It may be above 0 or below 0. So that is called as the least count. That is called as the least count. Attaching the ring of spring balanced A on a hook fixed in the wall, and the spring balance B is attached to the hook of a spring balance A. So we are taking a two spring balances. One spring balance is attached to a wall, and another spring balance attached to the balance A. Hold the spring balance exactly horizontal in the table. Okay. Pull the ring of spring balance B gently. We are pulling the, not pushing, we are pulling the B spring balance gently. While pulling that, we must know for every positions we can note the readings in the spring balances. So that only you observe and note the reading of both the spring balances. Repeat the experiment by applying the different forces. This is for our real lab. Now we are in the online classes, so we are going to use the word simulator there. Simulator part we are going to use there. How to use the simulator part? Instead of using your hands, here you are using your fingers and at a touch screen only. If you have touch screen, it will be easy for you. Or in the laptop means you are going to use the mouse. What is the procedure for doing in simulator? There will be small pixel will be there. There will be applied forces will be there. The small topic that there you can alter the force, because we cannot give the force directly. We can give only to the machines. So applied forces will be changed there. We are giving the readings there. Depending upon the applied force, there will be change in the reading in the spring balances. And observe the reading on the two spring balances. We have to apply the readings on the two spring balances. Repeat the experiment by applying different forces. We are going changing the forces. Maximum you can take 3 or 4 readings you can take. Click on the reset button for the reset the experiment. So if you want to redo again, you can reset the there is the reset button will be there. If you reset means it will change the, or you can do the new experiments here. So what are the things you have observed? Further, I told that we are going to write the procedure and we are going to do the observations. What are the observations we have noted there? We must be writing there. So first of all, you know what is least count of the balance. Least count of the spring balance is equal to value of the small division, one small division. So whereas one small division 0.5, I think it will be you have to take that. Least count of the spring balance A is equal to what? Least count of spring balance B is equal to what? You have to note that. So number of, you can maximum take 3 or 4 we can take there. So first of all, you must note the reading on the second balance. Note there in the readings in the table column. And next one, you have to take the readings in the second balance, and you can write the difference there. What will be difference there? So what is the result? The readings on both the balances are the same in each case. The action and reaction force are equal, opposite, and act on two different bodies. While doing this experiment, we want to take some precautionary measures. What is precautionary measurements? Spring balance of different least counts should be taken. The spring balance should be brought in elastic mode before doing elastic mode. It will be very easy to stitch. If it is old spring balance, there will be some rust will be there. It will be tight there. So it must be used freely spring balance then. The second spring balance should not be pulled beyond its elastic limit. If you pull it very mostly means it will be cut off. Spring will be cut off. So you must do it gently. The reading of spring balance should be taken without any parallax error. Without any error, we want to read the, you want to take the readings. Okay. So this is the procedure you are going to follow in the simulator. Simulator is nothing but it's a small video like this. There you are going to do the experiment. Now I am going to simulate. All of you understand this? Now I am going to simulator now.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you able to see this? This is the simulator. So
Yes, sir.
see
Yes,
that
sir.
in the right side. In the right side, what is the right side? Sorry, in the left side.
Acting
There
force.
is acting force. No.
Acting.
So if you keep the finger on the acting force and pull that dot, it will be moving like this. So what is the force now? What is the forces on the what is the readings on the both sides? Can you able to see in the screen of you?
Yes, sir.
Sir, 100 and sir.
100 and 100.
Yes, sir.
100.
Yes. Next one. See here. Next one. I am going to next reading. Here 200. 200. 200. Like you are. 200. 200. 200. 200. But in the opposite direction. Next I am pulling again. Another reading. I getting 303.
Yes, sir.
300. 300. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
it will be the opposite directions. Now again I am pulling this one. I will getting 4 readings. Okay.
3.5.
3.5. Now 400. So like this, we are going to note the reading here. Okay, see. Then if you want to do the experiment again, you can put the reset here. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anybody has doubt in this? See here. First of all, you are going to apply force. நீ இழுக்கிறிய நீ வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவ? You want to pull the spring, no? நீ pull பண்ணுமா நீ?
Yes, sir.
So here you can't pull because it is in online classes. You can't pull it. This is your hand is here. This is your hand here. So you are giving the force to your hand. So see, if you are giving a small amount of force, see the hand is pulling the spring balances. Like this, you are going to take the different types of readings. Okay. See here now, down there will be a number of readings there. Number of readings. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can take any number of readings here. Okay. So it will be different. What will be different? You write. So suppose I'm writing here 60 and I'm writing here also 60. What will be different? 0. Automatically it will be getting. Okay. Suppose it is I am not 50 putting 58 means difference will be a -2. But in both the readings we got 60 only. So it's 0. Next, if I got 300. And for this series I got 300 and this will be 0 and only I got 200 and I am putting the 200 here. Okay, then again I am putting I got one reading I got 400 and I can got 400 just getting 0. Then I am getting 350. I got one thing and I got 350 again. This is the force I applied here. So what is the readings here now? All becomes 0. All becomes 0 because both the forces are equal. Both the forces are equal, but they are in the opposite directions. Okay. Please on. Can you do this experiment of you? If I want to save this, I can save this.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I can put a reset here. Yes. They can do the number of readings here. See, anyone can do this experiment and take this. I want this video alone. What is the experiment you're doing there? This alone I want to screen recorder.
Okay, sir.
Who are not able to do this? You can send it to me now.
Sir,
Can you
I
able to understand this?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, what?
Sir, while we are measuring, we have to read the grams or newtons to see the difference, sir.
Newtons, 1.5 newtons. You can take anyone. You can take grams, newtons. You can take anyone. If you take this side, Newton, say it's the same thing this side also. So you can take Newtons, 1 Newton, 2 Newton you can take.
Okay, sir.
For your easy operation I told here. So you can take 1 Newton, 2 Newton means it will be same. See, suppose I'm keeping this as a 1 Newton. See here, 1 Newton means what? 1 Newton. See, same as here as 1 Newton, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is like this, you can take 1 it will become 0. But they are in the opposite directions. Then because how is see in the case of reading, see here, if I give 1 for the first B and for the B, it becomes 0. Automatically it becomes 0. How it becomes 0? Because they are the opposite. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. It is opposite direction. Okay, wow. So
Yes,
it is
sir.
opposite
Yes,
direction. The forces will be they are having the same forces.
Sir.
Okay, wow. So like this,
Yes, sir.
we can do this experiment now. Now finally, see that there is Viva Varsha is there. Viva Varsha, the action of 5 Newton. See, all of you see there. Only 10 questions or 20 questions will be there only. Rest you can go through this. It will be very easy. Only 12 questions are there now. See here of you. I will don't attend this question now. I will give this question separately. There you can attend now. As a part, I will giving you mark for this. Okay. The action of 5 Newton direction will be what? 5 Newton in the opposite
5
direction.
Newton in the opposite direction, sir.
How do the action reaction act on body?
The same body in different direction.
Same body. Actions and reactions act on the same body. Different bodies in opposite directions.
Different bodies in opposite
Different
direction.
bodies in opposite direction. Rockets works on the principle of which of Newton's law?
The third law of motion.
Newton's
By
law.
Newton's.
Very good. The man jumps out of a boat. In what direction does the boat move?
Sir,
Sir,
forward.
opposite direction.
Forward.
Opposite direction to the man.
Forward.
Hmm?
Sir,
Forward,
forward.
Sir, forward.
Backward. You can dash backward.
Back.
Backward.
Sir,
While
it's
flying
started now, sir.
no, don't attend this. I will give the link. I will give the in the Microsoft Teams. It will not be come to me. Okay. While flying, in which direction do the birds push the air?
Sir,
Downwards.
Sir, side.
That's the air downwards. And the air will give force on the upwards force. The law of conservation of momentum is set which of the following? Law of conservation of momentum is set which of the following?
Second last.
Sir, Newton's third law.
Newton's third law. Yes, momentum depends on the third law. The first law, inertia. Second law, momentum, and third law of conservation. Okay.
Third law.
Yes. Now, how do the force of action and reaction refer to in Newton's third law?
Sir, can you explain sixth question again, sir?
Emma?
Can you explain sixth question again, sir?
The law of conservation of momentum is related to which of the following? Okay. So for every reaction, there is an opposite reaction. It is the Newton's third law. So total momentum before collision and after collision will be same. So here in the third law, we are going to apply the law of conservation of momentum. So law of conservation of momentum is based only on the Newton's third law based on the law of conservation of momentum. First law, if you remember this, first law depends upon inertia. Second law depends upon momentum only. And third law depends upon the law of conservation of momentum. Okay. Now, on the question.
Sir.
How do the force of action and reaction referred to in Newton's third law action on objects? How do the force of action and reaction referred to in Newton's third law action objects?
They may
They must act
they
on
may act on different ranges.
they must act on different objects. Second object, okay. A man is standing in a boat in still water. If by standing in the boat, he tries to walk towards the shore. What will the boat do? Remains as lazy, move towards the shore, move away from the shore.
Move towards, sir.
Right? Man is walking towards the shore. Man is walking towards the shore. The boat will release action. This is the action. So the boat will go in the opposite direction. That is, it go move away from the shore. புரியுதா? மேன் வந்து நடந்து போறாரு அப்படின்னா ஷோருக்கு நடந்து போறாரு அப்படின்னா போட் என்ன ஆகும்? போட் வந்து ஆப்போசிட்ல வரும். ஸோ இது மூவ்ஸ் அவே ஃப்ரம் தி ஷோர். புரியுதா?
Okay, sir.
ஓகேவா?
Yes, sir.
போட் ஸ்டில் வாட்டர் போட் இருக்கு அப்படின்னா மேன் இஸ் வாக்கிங் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தி ஷோர். ஸோ மேன் இஸ் வாக்கிங் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தி ஷோர் மீன் என்ன ஆகும்? தி போட் வில் மூவ் அவே ஃப்ரம் தி ஷோர். Okay, if man is moving away from the shore, then boat will move towards the shore. Opposite direction தான் வரும். ஓகேவா? நார்மலா போட்ல போய் பாருங்க, ஆப்போசிட்டா போகணும். 9th question. When we kick a stone, we get hurt. Due to which one of the following properties of stone does it happen?
Sir, reaction.
Yes, reaction.
Reaction, sir.
Yes, very good. Reaction. What would happen if action and reaction were to act on the same body?
Sir, the body would not move to all.
Yes, the result would be zero. Zero,
Sir.
What is the principle involved in the working of jet plane?
Sir, Newton's third law, sir.
Newton's third law. Very good. And last and final question. What is the total momentum of bullet and a gun before firing?
Sir, zero.
Very good.
Zero, sir.
Super. Very good.
Zero, sir.
Zero. Very good. So these 12 questions, once again, I count that any 10 questions I'll give you in the Microsoft Teams now today. Okay, wow. We can do it tomorrow also. We can. Okay.
Today you will post this MCQ, sir.
Appa?
Sir, today you will post this MCQ, sir.
No, today I don't post. Tomorrow in the class we must do it.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
This is
sir.
matter of 5 minutes.
Sir, this is MCQ, sir.
Okay, sir.
No, it's not MCQ. This is a competition.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in that simulator, which is A and which is B, sir? Which spring balance is A and which is B, sir?
On the hand side, no.
Yes, sir.
On the hand side, you can take as a B.
Okay, sir.
On the ball 6, you take as A.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Any doubt in this practical?
No, sir.
So today I am giving time. You can do it one or two times in the using the given link. Or tomorrow we can do for another. I will give another experiment link. See this easy or tough for you?
Sir, I'm seeing one difficult. Sir, if we use that online, means it shows, if we move means it is showing extra 1 point, sir.
Which one, boss?
Sir, if in spring balance, if we are pulling it, sir, it shows, it is not showing that 4.5, sir. It is moving 1 point extra, sir.
That because of the number, because of the phone, it will be like that only. No problem. You can whatever reading you can take. So go move the cursors, move the dots slowly. Okay, if it may, because if you moving with the finger, it will take some time. See, I'll do here. Once I'll do here. See here of you. Give reset and then move it slow. If I move it fast, means it will be showing like that only. So move slowly one by one. Move slowly one by one. Yeah. Okay, who is that? Please mute yourself. I told you this video is going and recording. Okay, like that you can move and find the values.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So one by ask that. So that two, one is gram, another is Newton. No, what is why is gram and Newton there? Anybody can share this?
Sir, because
One second, sir.
it is a force.
Sir, force doesn't have mass, sir.
Force isn't a must because we are applying force here. On the other hand, we are using the spring balance for weighing for measuring the weight. Okay, wow. So while measuring the weight, you can use the gram side. For applying the force, we can measure through the Newton side. Okay, wow. Now here we are applying the force side. So we are taking the one, so for just for carry only I take 100 grams. We can use the Newton side. That is 1 Newton, 2 Newton. That is the Newton side. 1 0 1 2. That is called as Newton's force. That side you can use for reading. Okay. Okay. Wow. So when you increase or decreasing the acting force in the left hand side of your screen, there you can see this force is differing there, and we can
Sir,
note
where
the
we
reading.
should submit that report of simulator, sir?
What? I can understand you.
Sir, where we should submit that report, sir?
Don't submit. I'll give what I told. I will give the link tomorrow morning in the class. There you can submit there.
Okay,
If you
sir.
submit here means
Okay,
it won't come to our school. Okay, wow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, wow. So don't give there. The feedback don't touch that is for teachers. Any doubt in this? Anybody having doubt in this?
No, sir. No, sir.